We ain't even made it to lunch yet, y'all, and it is already a rough day in real estate. So I'm gonna bake some Texas Roadhouse Copycat Rolls because it makes me feel better, and even though it's just 2 of us living here, why not have 24 rolls that we have nothing absolutely to do with them but eat a few of them. So we're gonna get our yeast ready first. We're gonna use a whole packet, then we have 1/3 cup of sugar, and then we have 1 1/4 cups of warm milk. We're gonna leave this be and let it do its thing, and we'll come back in 10 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add our ingredients that we need to get this bread going, our dinner rolls from Texas Roadhouse. We're gonna add a teaspoon of salt, an egg, and then we're gonna add about 2 cups of the flour. Save about 2 cups out to add as we go. So it's definitely been one of those days. I mean, it's lunchtime and I'm just 100% done, but technically I'm not done because I've still got a lot of work to do. We forgot to add our room temperature butter. This will probably change things a little. It wasn't working out as well, but hey, we're in business now. It's starting to do what it's gonna do. And we're gonna go ahead and add a little oil to our big old bowl. And we're going to add our sticky but not tacky roll dough here to rise. Really, you just need 45 to 60 minutes, but I'm gonna go show some houses, so it's probably gonna be like 3 hours before I get back. Probably won't be a big deal, but I'm gonna cover it with a dish towel. That's good. And go ahead and put it in a warm place. So let's see what happens when we get back. Okay, look at here. So mine sat for about probably 3 hours. Maybe 2.5, 3 hours. You really only need about 45 minutes to an hour. But what you're gonna do next is you're just gonna punch it. I don't know. Today it says, they always say gently, but I got girls and boys. I'm wanting to really go to town on this thing, but I'm just gonna lightly punch it. See, even though it's Throat Punch Thursday. So we're gonna put a little flour on our counter because we're gonna have to roll everything out. So let's get everything spread out and ready to roll. Okay, so now we're gonna cut even squares and we're gonna put them on our baking sheet. These all on pans and we got them situated a little better. They're not perfect, but we're gonna see what they do. We're gonna love them, I bet. We're gonna go ahead and let them rise again. That'll give me a chance to put out a little bit more of that fire I've been having going all day with my listing. We've let them rise a little bit. They've doubled, I guess, a little bit, but I don't think they're gonna get much bigger. I mean, maybe things weren't going well with them. But we're gonna put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 and see what they do. So look at these. They've just come out of the oven, and these are in fact looking like them Texas Roadhouse rolls, y'all. Look at this. Texas Roadhouse rolls that I just made. So tell me how you think you can ever stop me. No, ain't nobody can stop me. Ain't nobody can touch me. I can make bread. How are you gonna stop me, bitches? So it's time for the taste test. Let's see, let's take a smaller one. These are good. I'm gonna do honey butter with them. I don't know if I'm gonna do the cinnamon butter, but I'm gonna do honey butter. And these are the best dinner rolls I've ever made. Yeah.